Would you like some more money? Because if the answer is yes, then I'm about to introduce you to a brand new piece of blue plastic that will help you make it happen. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Then be sure to check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to earn some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and their rewards in one place. Here on the wallet tab, I can view my balances, credit utilization, bonus trackers, my different cards, and even my credit scores. Then on the activity tab, I can see all my different transactions across all my cards, and the best card tab will literally show me the best card to use for a specific purchase. And if you choose to sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it will unlock the deals tab to automatically activate all of your card linked offers, as well as quarterly categories on cards that may have a rotating reward structure. And by using the link or the promo code down below in the description, you'll be able to get MAXREWARDS Gold entirely for free for your first month. Now on Thursday, June 10th of 2021, Citi launched a brand new credit card called the Citi Custom Cash Card. And this was not a card that I nor many other people ever saw coming. It basically came out of left field, pretty much out of nowhere, and shocked a lot of us. And I do wonder a little bit if they were scheming against Wells Fargo, because Wells Fargo recently announced their active cash card. But unlike Wells Fargo, who announced the card and then delayed the launch until July 1st, which basically means as of the making of this video, it's still not here yet, Citi not only announced their card, but also made it available for new applications online the same day. So today's video is all about an in-depth review of the new custom cash card by Citi to show you how you can earn and redeem cash back, all the features, benefits, and a whole lot more, and we'll do a very deep dive to show you what this card is all about. The Citi Custom Cash Card has a welcome bonus as of June 2021 of $200 cash back. And you can earn this bonus after spending $750 on new purchases in the first 3 months from opening your account. There's also a 0% APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, then a variable APR of 13.99% to 23.99% will follow after that. And I'll also have you know that this $200 of cashback will be fulfilled as 20,000 thank you points, which is fantastic because that tells us right off the bat that these points are worth 1 cent each when redeemed for cash back. So basically for every 1,000 points that you earn, that'll be equal to $10. Now, earning cash back on this card is really where this card sets itself apart from a lot of the other ones that we've come to know for the past number of years. You'll earn 5% cash back on your top eligible spend category. And here's what that means. You'll earn 5% cash back in the category where you spend the most each billing cycle. And this is valid on the first $500 spent, then 1% cash back beyond that until it refreshes the next billing cycle. And in addition to that, you'll earn 1% back on all other purchases. The annual fee on this card is $0. Now, what Citi's referring to here when they say this top eligible spend category, basically there's a preset list of different categories, and in whichever one you spend the most is where you'll earn 5% cash back. And in case you're wondering which categories Citi is making available to us, here's a nice list of them right here for you on the screen. The 5% eligible categories include restaurants, gas stations, grocery stores, select travel, select transit, select streaming services, home improvement stores, live entertainment, drugstores, and fitness clubs. However, like most things in the credit card industry, there's always a little bit of fine print that goes along with things like this. So when you see things like restaurants or gas stations or home improvement centers, that does not necessarily mean every possible iteration or combination you could ever think of. There are things that will work and there are things that will not work to earn your 5% cash back. And will I reveal to you what works and what doesn't? Absolutely, but I'm going to ask you right now to please stick with me through this. I'll do my best to be brief with it because there are a lot of nuances here and it can get kind of lengthy, so I'm going to do my best to go through it quickly and at the same time not bore you to death because there's a lot of other great stuff that comes in the back half of this video as well. However, this is still important to go over because if you decide to apply for this card yourself and you don't earn 5% in something you thought you would, I want you to at least understand why that was the case. So here we go. What these categories include. For restaurants, it will include cafes, bars, lounges, and fast food restaurants. However, if you decide to go buy some cookies at a bakery, cater a lunch party for your office, make a purchase on third-party dining delivery services, or make a purchase at restaurants located inside another business, such as hotels, stores, stadiums, grocery stores, or warehouse clubs, then those will not count. Then over to the right-hand side for gas stations, basically every gas station in general will work except gasoline purchases at warehouse clubs, discount stores, convenience stores, and other merchants that do not use the gas station merchant category code. So as we move along here, the merchant category code, or MCC, is what a business uses to categorize itself in terms of what type of business it is. And these MCC codes are filed with MasterCard, Visa, etc. It's not up to the actual card issuing bank to determine that. Next up, we have grocery stores, and this will include supermarkets, meat and seafood stores, dairy stores, bakeries, and other miscellaneous food or convenience stores. Excluded from grocery stores are general merchandise or discount superstores, wholesale or warehouse clubs, candy, nut, and confectionery stores, and lastly, purchases made at online supermarkets or with grocery delivery services also do not qualify if the merchant does not classify itself as a supermarket by using the supermarket merchant category code. Now let's move over to travel. Included here are airlines, hotels, cruise lines, and travel agencies. Then excluded are timeshares, boat leases and rentals, campgrounds, trailer parks, and real estate agencies. Now these next two are always great to unpack because when they say select anything, we always want to know what select means. So for select transit, included are car rentals, ferries, commuter railways, subways, taxis, limousines, and car services, passenger railways, bridge and toll roads, parking lots and garages, bus lines, and motorhome and recreational vehicle rentals. Then on the excluded side are bike and scooter rentals, auto clubs, and insurance companies. Let's move over to the right for select streaming services. This will include the following cable, satellite, and streaming providers. Now there is a long list of 21 eligible ones at the moment. I'm not going to read them all, but feel free to pause this screen to look them over to see if any of them are ones that you currently pay for. Home improvement stores. This includes home supply warehouse stores, lumber and building materials stores, paint and wallpaper stores, hardware stores, nurseries, including lawn and garden supply stores and paints, and varnishes and supply stores. But excluded from earning 5% under this category are florists and florist supply stores, nursery stock, wholesale construction stores, and glass stores. So if you're buying a lot of glass, then you may want to use a different credit card. Under fitness clubs, we have membership fee and other purchases at athletic, sports, and recreation facilities requiring membership, such as health, tennis, and swimming clubs. But it will not include fees associated with virtual services for home exercise equipment, personal monitoring devices, or fitness streaming classes. Are you still with me? We've got two more. Drugstores include purchases made at pharmacies, in grocery stores, general merchandise and discount superstores, and wholesale and warehouse clubs. And last up, we've got live entertainment. This includes concerts, live sporting events, live theatrical productions, amusement parks, and orchestras. However, this will exclude charitable organizations that provide live entertainment or benefits, sporting camps, sport complexes where you participate in the sport, public and private golf courses, country clubs, including membership fees, bowling alleys, movie theaters, tourist attractions, museums, and art galleries. You might be thinking that for entertainment, this is pretty lousy and that the Capital One Saver and Saver One cards would be way better because those are way more inclusive. At the same time, you gotta remember that this is for live entertainment only. Basically, you are taking in a performance of other people. That's why art galleries, museums, movie theaters will not count because A, it's either not live, or B, you're participating in it in the case of a bowling alley. Okay, so now that we've covered all that, let's now go into how you can redeem your points because obviously you'll be earning a lot of them with this card. If you decide to redeem for travel via this Citi ThankYou portal, you'll get 1 cent per point, so your 20,000 point welcome bonus will be worth $200. And the same holds true for cash back as a direct deposit, a statement credit, or a check in the mail. You'll still get 1 cent per point, so those 20,000 points are still worth $200 here. Now there's another very interesting option here, and that's travel via transfer partners. This can get you on average around 1.7 cents per point, primarily when you transfer to international airlines and fly in a premium cabin like business class or first class on a long-haul international flight. This will make your 20,000 points worth around $340. However, I did put a little yellow asterisk next to transfer partners, and that refers to the fact that you must have the Citi Premier credit card or the Citi Prestige credit card as well. This is because the Citi Custom Cash Card does not give you access to transfer partners on its own, and currently that also holds true for all of Citi's no annual fee cards. You will not get access to the full list of transfer partners with any of those cards. So my picture math there at the bottom of the screen shows you that the Custom Cash Card plus the Citi Premier and or Citi Prestige will equal access to the full list of transfer partners. And lastly, you will have some other redemption options, including shop with points at Amazon.com, select gift cards, and more. Just be aware that a lot of these may not give you the full 1 cent per point value. So use these only if you truly value the convenience that they offer you. Or better yet, just don't use them. For the perks and benefits on this card, you will have automatic account alerts, tap your card with contactless pay, digital wallets, bank anywhere with the Citi mobile app, and choose your payment due date. On the support side, you'll have access to 24/7 customer service, and you'll also have access to Citi Entertainment. And I love how Citi says this: let Citi Entertainment bring the fun to you. Almost like a concierge. Through the Citi Entertainment program, you can enjoy access to music, sports, culinary experiences, and more from virtually anywhere. So this may include things like access to pre-sales for tickets on different shows or VIP experiences, etc. And then for insurance and protections, here's what Citi lists on their site at the moment: MasterCard ID theft protection, $0 liability on unauthorized charges, free access to your FICO score, fraud early warning, and Citi Quick Lock. There may be some additional perks with the MasterCard or World Elite MasterCard designation that may come with this card, but at the moment, Citi has not disclosed which benefits from the MasterCard program that they decided to add to this card. So should this brand new sleek piece of blue plastic find its way into your wallet? Well, let me help you find out right now. You should consider getting this card if you want a great cashback card to use either on its own or alongside other cashback cards that you may already have, and if you want a great way to earn Citi ThankYou points for travel and already have the Citi Premier and or Citi Prestige cards. That's because earning 5 ThankYou points per dollar will allow you to earn travel rewards points to move over to those transfer partners in a very big way. On the flip side, you may want to say no to this card if you want to earn travel rewards for long-haul international flights and do not have the Citi Premier and or Citi Prestige cards. Also avoid this card if you want to get below 524 to get Chase cards first, or if you need strong insurance coverages, which this card does not provide. Now let's bring it all home with a couple things that are really good to know about this card before you consider submitting that application. First of all, you can pool or combine points with other Citi cards. The Citi Custom Cash Card earns ThankYou points, which we've talked about earlier in this video, so you can combine your points into one balance with other cards that also earn ThankYou points, including the Citi ThankYou Preferred, Citi Rewards Plus, Citi Double Cash, Citi Premier, and Citi Prestige cards. And second, if you pull up the fine print for this offer, you'll notice the 48-month rule, which says Citi will only issue one custom cash card account per person. You will qualify for the bonus offer only if you have not received a bonus offer for opening a new Citi Custom Cash Card in the past 48 months. So since this card just came out, of course nobody's had it for 48 months or 4 years at this point, but hopefully this means that Citi is planning on keeping this card around for at least 4 years. So overall, I give a big 2 thumbs up for this card. I think it's great for a lot of people, whether you want one simple card to adapt to your spend or want to use it as part of a multi-card strategy to maximize your cashback in other areas. Anyway, with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on those notifications. Also remember to journey on down to the links in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to earn some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and their rewards in one place. Here on the Wallet tab, I can view my balances, credit utilization, bonus trackers, my different cards, and even my credit scores. Then on the Activity tab, I can see all my different transactions across across all my cards, and the best card tab will literally show me the best card to use for a specific purchase. And if you choose to sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it will unlock the Deals tab to automatically activate all of your card-linked offers, as well as quarterly categories on cards that may have a rotating reward structure. And by using the link or the promo code down below in the description, you'll be able to get MAXREWARDS Gold entirely for free for your first month. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.